Hello everybody. Today for your GK class, we will be talking about fruits. You might have heard your doctors and your parents say to have a lot of fruits when you fall sick, right? So fruits are basically very healthy food that you can have when you are sick. But otherwise also, if you eat fruits every day, it is very good for your health. Fruits have lots of water content inside that and it is good for our health. So there are four different types of fruits. The first one is fleshy fruit. As the name suggests, fleshy fruits have lots of pulpy material inside the fruit. The fruits like papaya and plum, as you might have noticed, is very fleshy and you can eat a lot of things from that fruit. So these category of fruits are called fleshy fruits. Coming to citrus fruits belongs to the category that include lemon and orange. These kinds of fruits are called citrus fruits. So basically citrus fruits are juicy. They have a tangy and sweet and sour taste. So lime when you eat it is very sour, but orange it is sweet also but at the same time sour. So these kinds of fruits are called citrus fruits. Next is dry fruits. Dry fruits you also have noticed is very hard. It is not at all pulpy. These we feel like we are eating seeds when we have dry fruits like cashew nuts or hazelnuts, pistachio, walnuts. These are very hard without any pulp. Last is multiple fruits. Multiple fruits are fruits that grow from a cluster of flowers. Like in jackfruit, you can see many fruit inside that big jackfruit. So, pineapple, jackfruit, custard apple, mangosteen are all examples of multiple fruits. So, that you can see different fruits inside one fruit because it grows from a cluster of flowers. Now I will introduce you to few common fruits that you see around you. These are given as fill in the blanks in your textbook and I am going to go in the order that it is given there. The first one is banana. Banana is very common in Kerala and we all have it regularly. It grows in bunches as you can see in the image. Banana grows in bunches and it is available all over India. The second one is strawberry. Strawberry is very reddish or pinkish in color outside. It is also a pulpy fruit. It is juicy and you can see small seeds outside the fruit. On top of the fruit there are very tiny small seeds. The third one is apple. Apple is widely grown in areas like Himachal and Kashmir, where the places are very cold, there apple grows. In Kerala, apple doesn't grow well. Grapes grows on vines. Vines is this small plant which is not very strong. It is like a creeper and grapes grow on that. Grapes also grow in bunch. Next is kiwi. Kiwi has the skin outside kiwi is brown in color and it is very hairy brown if you can see, and the fruit is greenish in color with black seeds inside. It is about the size of a hen's egg. Kiwi is not very common in Kerala. Next is pomegranate. Pomegranate is available everywhere. In our place also pomegranate is available. It is juicy red, many juicy red seeds inside this fruit and we make juice and we eat it as such. So it's pink and red seeds inside pomegranate. Jackfruit is very common in Kerala. It's like native to Kerala. But jackfruit has big thorny outside, thick skin outside and small yellow fruits that is inside. So this is juicy and pulpy, the yellow fruit. The outside skin is very thick and thorny. Watermelon has a lot of water content, as the name suggests. It is watermelon. So whenever you are sick, when you need to take lots of water, doctors and your parents suggest to have watermelon because watermelon have lots of water content inside that. Watermelon is also pinkish or reddish inside and green skin outside, which is also very thick. Next is cherry. Cherry Cherry we use on top of cakes and ice creams, like in Black Forest cake, you can see cherry on top of the cake, and in ice creams also you use that. Peaches are oddly shaped fruit. It is juicy but found in cold places. It is not found in Kerala much. You can see it is not exact circle or round. It has got a bend here, so it is oddly shaped fruit. Tomatoes, yes, it is not a vegetable. Tomatoes are actually fruits, but we widely use it for making juice and cooking. So tomatoes are fruits. Guava is also known as Peru or Amrud in Persian language. Basically comes under the family of pear, and guava you can have whitish color as well as red or pinkish color. Mango usually grows in the summer season, and we have it in the summer season only. Is known as the king of the fruits. Mango is also very pulpy with a big seed inside. Papaya is very pulpy. Again, we have talked about it. It has got black hard seeds in the middle and pulpy reddish and pinkish color pulp on the sides. Melon is found in different varieties. There is musk, rock, honeydew, and melon is also rich in water content, and it is also we eat it during the summer season. So all these fruits are given in a table in your textbook in page number 15, and there is a fill in the blanks given in the textbook. I hope you will be able to fill it up after listening to the class. There is also a picture that is given, and fruits are hidden inside the picture. You can color it as I have explained in the presentation. Thank you.